Shed renovation, end of day 6. As I'll walk you through. We've ordered some composite decking for out the front. The doors have to be cut at the bottom to go back on the shed. If we go in the shed now that it's been propped up and we have a new run, we've realised we've got to fix that back. Order some more tongue and groove, some more tongue and groove there. This cheesecake tongue and groove's got to come out and the new one's got to come out to infill that. This is the decking. We've got 10 sheets of 8x4, which is a heck of a lot. So now if you look at this, the overhang is at about 5 foot. Come along here now, and you'll find that yes, everything is covered in. As we walk down the alleyway, we're covered in the doorway. We walk through the back and we're covered in. The shed overhang is overhanging outside, so it's all secure. So let's get the door open. Obviously you've seen these gate locks. For me they're the best. So you come out, when we do this to here, we don't really need a step, we just walk straight out. Now, look at the bit there now, you've got the doorway and the overhang is overhanging, so the guttering will be on this side, but it's within the boundary of the property, going by this wall and that wall. So if you look at this bit, so you know it's not just a perfect roof, but it's absolutely secure for the people who live here. You couldn't ask for better. Thanks for watching.